Good day, everyone. So, my topic is all about World War II, 1939 to 1945. World War II, which began on September 1, 1939, with the invasion of Poland by Nazi Germany and ended in 1945 on September 2, which officially ended the war in Asia after the Allied victory against the Axis powers. So, the primary Axis powers in World War II were Germany, Italy, and Japan, who formed an alliance against the Allied powers. So as you can see the picture, the Axis powers versus the Allied. So in the Axis powers, we have Japan, Italy, and Germany. And in the Allies, we have France, America, Britain, and Soviet Union. So these are the key events in World War II. First is the invasion of Poland. Next is the Battle of Britain. Next is the Pearl Harbor attack. Pearl Harbor attack on December 7, 1941. It was Japan's surprise attack on the U.S. naval base in Pearl Harbor, bringing the United States into the war. Next is the Holocaust. The Battle of Stalingrad, 1942 to 1943, is a brutal and decisive battle on the Eastern Front where the Soviet Union defeated the German forces, marking a turning point in the war. Next is the Normandy invasion. And lastly, the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. On August 1945, the United States dropped atomic bombs on these Japanese cities, leading to Japan's surrender and the end of World War II. During World War II, key figures emerged on both the Allied and the Axis sides. So, as you can see the picture, these are the leaders whose actions profoundly shaped the course of the war and its aftermath. World War II had profound and lasting political implications, including the rise of the US and USSR as superpowers, the Cold War, the creation of the United Nations, and the decolonization of many parts of the world. Rise of superpowers and the Cold War. The war saw the emergence of the United States and the Soviet Union as global superpowers, leading to the Cold War, a period of geopolitical tension and proxy conflicts between the two nations. So next are the causes of World War II. So the example of Great Depression or economic hardship. So the Great Depression originating in the United States with a stock market crash of 1929 caused widespread economic hardship, including massive unemployment, deflation, and banking panics impacting almost every country. Next is the political instability. So the economic crisis led to political instability and the rise of extremist ideologies in some countries, such as the rise of Adolf Hitler and the Nazi Party in Germany. Next is the Treaty of Versailles. Territorial losses and military restrictions. So Germany was forced to cede significant territories to neighboring countries like France, Belgium, Poland, and Czechoslovakia, and to relinquish all of its overseas colonies. Next, Hitler rose to power through the Nazi Party. So it is an organization he forged after returning as a wounded veteran from the annihilating trench warfare of World War I. So early isolationism. Following World War I, the U.S. experienced a period of isolationism, focusing on domestic issues and avoiding involvement in international affairs. Next is the Britain and France pursued a policy of appeasement towards Nazi Germany. The Japan experienced an economic miracle characterized by rapid growth and industrialization fueled by a combination of factors, including American aid. Next are the major events in World War II. First is the invasion of Poland, Operation Barbarossa, Pearl Harbor, D-Day, Holocaust, and atomic bombings. So, These events were pivotal in shaping the global conflict and its aftermath, leading to significant geopolitical changes and onset of the Cold War. So the lasting impact on geopolitics can be multifaceted and complex. So first is economic power shifts, rise of emerging economies. Next is the globalization and trade. So the integration of global markets has led to increased interdependence among nations. So the third was technological advancement and digital revolution. So lastly is the artificial intelligence and automation, or what we call AI. So these technologies are reshaping industries and labor. So therefore, in conclusion, World War II, a global conflict between the Allies and Axis powers from 1939 to 1945, resulted in immense destruction, loss of life, and lasting global consequences, serving as a stark reminder of the devastating potential of human conflict and the importance of international cooperation. So these are the references of the said topic, and that's all about my report. Thank you and God bless.